A bag contains blue, red, yellow, and green balls only. A ball is taken from the bag at random. The table shows the information about the probabilities. You can see colors blue, red, yellow, and green. Probability is given 0.15, 0.2. Yellow, we don't have anything, 0.43. Yellow is missing. Complete the table. So we need to find the yellow. We have only 4 balls here, so the total probability will be 1. So to find the yellow one, you will take 1 minus 0.15 plus 0.2 plus 0.43, because the total probability is always 1. So if you don't know how to add them, 0.15, write all the decimal in the same place. Okay, so the next number is 0.2, the next number is 0.43. Here we don't have digits, so just put it as 0. Then add them. 5 plus 3 is 8, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So you will get 0.78. So it is 1 minus 0.78, you will get 0.22. So 100 minus 78, that is 22. Okay, so the probability of yellow is 0.22. Then Abdul takes a ball at random and replaces it in the bag. He does this 200 times. Find how many times he has expected to take a red ball. So when he take the red ball, it is the probability is zero point 0.2. How many times he is repeating? He is repeating 200 times. So times 200, because he is replacing it, you can directly multiply it by 200. Okay, he is keeping the ball back, so you can just multiply it by 200. 200 times 2 is 400, but we have one decimal, so it will become 40. So 40 times we are expecting him to take a red ball. Okay, so that's all about question number 7.